guys, this is me Nadine.
This is me, JD.
And here we are again for another vlog. So ayun guys, may sad news po kami. So aalis na po bukas si JD. Pupunta po na siya ng Dubai kasi po doon po siya nag-study sa Dubai.
Wag mo ako mimi. Babalik ako sa June maybe or April. Don't miss me everyone. I'll still miss you. I'll call everyone and Ate Nadine. Don't miss me everyone. Don't cry.
So ayun guys,
Please subscribe in our channel. Come back. It will not be rude our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a button.
yeah. So ayun guys, pag umalis na siya bukas, magbablog po kami bukas nang aalis na po siya. So ihatid po namin siya sa airport. Yan. Dun po sa flight po. So guys, bukas pag umuwi na po kami is ako na lang po yung magba-vlog kasi wala na po siya. Kasi po alis na nga po siya. Doon po kasi siya nag-aaral, pero sabi po kasi ng mami niya, kung daw po mabait po siya, edi hindi po siya sana mag-aaral sa Dubai.
Okay lang, happy lang ako konti. Sasama si Inay. Hindi ko alam may sasama totoo or hindi. Kinina kita ko si Inay passport. Hindi ko alam sasama siya. Don't miss me everyone because I will miss you too. Don't cry. Don't cry more. Positive and be brave.
Thank you guys. Kahit 1 subscriber lang tayo is meron pa rin tayong subscribe.
Please subscribe to 10,000 viewers. And subscribe in our button.
Tara guys, paabutin nyo kami ng 1K subscribers.
Later, we're going to send you some message. And we're going, next time I come back here, we're going to make a song. Nice song. Rockstar.
Yeah. So, last day niya na ngayon, guys. Kasi bukas is magpo-flight na siya, guys.
Bukas, pupunta ako first sa, ako pupunta sa Disneyland first. 1 day lang ako titira doon, tapos uuwi na kami sa Dubai.
Yeah.
Don't miss me, everyone. I love your viewers, and I love your channel too. Don't miss me, because Ate Nadine bukas will vlog on himself. Well, his sister is here. His sister can help him.
So, ayan guys. So, siguro guys, pag balik na ulit dito sa Pilipinas is baka guys mag-content kami ng
a song
and yung mga nagtuturol sa Roblox. Yan guys.
And Ate Nadine will send you a message and a video of Roblox.
Yeah.
And when I come back, I am ready. Don't miss me. Ate Nadine will video it. You will see it. That's my avatar.
Yan guys. So,
you'll remember me still.
Yeah.
Okay?
So guys, mag-comment pa po kayo kung ano po yung gusto nyo ipagawa po sa amin kasi pwede po namin nasundin. So, yan po.
You can make our lives. You can control our lives what you want to do because you're only our channel and you're our guys.
Yeah, guys.
And our guys and protect us in our life. Pray for me to come back in Dubai safely. Please.
But guys, makakabalik siya sa Dubai is bukas na. Pero yung balik sa Pilipinas is siya kasi guys ngayon ay 8 years old na po siya ngayon. So, yung pagbalik niya po sa Pilipinas is 10 years old na po.
And guys, I'll stay there in Dubai 2 years because maybe I can come there in 9 years old or 10 years old. I don't know. I only passed an honor. So I don't know. I didn't hard study. I only used gadget. Please pray for me and I can focus in my studies. Please guys, like and subscribe and thumbs up.
Bukas guys is bukas, 'di ba? Aalis na siya bukas. So lahat ng mga tao dito is mag-cry kasi mamimiss sila. Kasi hindi lang siya guys ang mag-flight. Siyempre yung kanyang mga magulang.
My parents' name is Dennis Benito, Jocelyn B. Maglano. And guys, don't miss me because I will give Ate Nadine will give you for giveaway our toys.
Kung guys, paabutin nyo to ng
10,000
subscribers guys and mamimigay tayo guys
in iPhone Pro Max. And guys, mamaya, I'll still stay here. Nana will come maybe or not. We're going to make your nice song for you, like a crying song. Please don't miss me. Sing this every day in your life. This is my life. Pray to me, safely land in Dubai. And my parents too. Please, and Nanay too. Maybe he will be Hilo in the airport and in the airplane. Maybe he will come or not. Please pray, guys. Miss you. And guys, we're going to give you a nice game. It's like some people don't know a schoolboy run away. Some people knows that one, cause that one is so nice game. You get that one, you will addict. Don't play every day. You have school time. Please listen to me.
So, mamimiss po natin si JD guys. Kasi guys, hindi na po siya ulit nakakarating sa Pilipinas. 2 years siya nga sa Dubai. So, sobrang tagal na. Pero okay lang naman kasi mabilis naman yung panahon guys. Kaya guys, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button for more updates in this channel.
And guys, we're going to give you for a giveaway this one. Wait guys, talk to Nadine.
So ayan guys, kumukuha pa siya guys ng mga i-giveaway daw. Yan guys. So guys, mamimiss po natin si JD guys. Kasi guys, ano po, 2 years po siyang nasa Dubai. So, ngayon guys, kung gusto nyo guys ng madaming toys, like and subscribe. And paabutin nyo to ng 10,000 subscribers.
And hi guys, this is what I will give you. This is a ninja. It can change and you can move like action figures. And next one is this one. Can be ugly, anything plot. You have to big building like a mall have 5th floor. You can fall down this one, go back in 0th floor in the stairs. It will not broke. Only you broke. Real katana in Amazon. Oh, I'll give you katana in my bio. And don't do like this more long because it will broke. We have a sand like this, see? You see it, everyone? I don't know, this is his butt. It's big so much. And go back to Nadine.
So, ayan guys, abangan nyo po bukas yung aming pong vlog na aalis na po si JD. And guys, kung gusto nyo po ng mga laruan, yan po. Nasabi na po namin yan kanina, pero po,
For girls only,
yan po.
blind box.
Yan po.
We have a boys for Harry Potter.
Yan po. Kung guys, gusto nyo po ng mga laruan pong ganito, mga Sanrio, blind box, yung mga Nomi, Labubu, mag-subscribe na po kayo sa aming pong channel kasi po.
And guys, you don't forget to
ASMR! Bibili kami guys ng maraming blind box para sa inyo at para guys, you know, diba? Kasi guys, medyo naman.
And go back to me. You know this one, a sword and katana. No, sword and gun. This is the hand for Roxing. This is for the ninja, guys. Go back to Nadine.
So, ayan guys, dito na guys nagatapos ang aming vlog. So, magbabantay sa kanila, be. Bye guys! But don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel.
Stay royalty. We are. Peace.